Okay, so we've got a 2015 Volvo V40 in a luxury. It's the D4 luxury, turbo diesel automatic, silver in colour, travelled 107,000 kilometres. It does have the parking sensors, reverse camera, alloy wheels, tinted windows. Also equipped with the front parking sensors as well. And as you can see, the vehicle presents in excellent condition all the way around. We'll take a look at the interior. Okay, so we've got the Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, dual airbags. There's your dash there. It is 107 kilometres. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, big colour screen that, climate air conditioning, and automatic transmission. Interior seat trims are leather, electric seats, side airbags, but the leather is in excellent condition. Front passenger 2 keys logbooks. I'll just open the door. And there's your back seat. Pretty much looking like new. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.